For someone looking to build a home without reservation, I tell them to think about Kurk. The things we found with Kurk are things that don't always have to do with the brick and mortar. They make the wishes come true through their honesty and integrity. And most of all, it's a nice, easy, joyous journey. Not stressful, not painful, not intense.
The process itself was a partnership. It was easy. It was certainly communicative, where we, spoke back and forth if there was any problems along the way or any things that needed to come to our attention. They did. So that was a very pleasant and positive experience in the build itself.
Well, the mama came out every day. I mean, I couldn't resist. Sometimes just to drive by because it was so thrilling. The reason I chose Kurk Homes was not just because the product was outstanding. Kurk Homes has an outstanding product. Builders make outstanding products out there. For me, however, it was this family-owned business with core values. The core value of integrity, honesty. We're forthcoming. We will prioritize your budget. We will take you on this journey. I bought into not only the product, but that extra added value. And having that, it wasn't a sell. It was, we're gonna take this journey with you. Okay, because this is a journey for us. This is our last home. So we're putting our faith in you, and it was not misplaced. And I've invited many people to come here that are considering building a home, and I've told them that it was the process. I didn't even understand how amazing the construction was going to be after. Originally, it was their process and the way they approached the entire project. I wanted to make a happy journey with a happy company. When you're with them, they are happy. They enjoy what they do. So, if they enjoy what they do and they're worried about me, we're going to enjoy this together.